Hey, welcome back to the channel. And yes, it really is May in Alaska. It's mid-May and it is snowing big time out there. It's coming down. We're driving to Anchorage right now because Mandy is going to get some LASIK surgery on her eyes, help her see a little better.
I might see you for the first time.
Oh God. She might see me and change her mind, take off.
I'm a little nervous, but it should be good. I've had glasses since I was in 6th grade.
What are you looking forward to about not having glasses?
Wearing sunglasses again that don't cover my entire face.
That's going to be awesome. Well, we're about to go through the entrance at Denali Park over top of some big bridges, some cliffs. So we're going to film that real quick, show you guys what it looks like on our way by. Hopefully you can see it through all this snow. So we're just north of the entrance to Denali Park, just north of Glacier Gulch here, and we're heading over the Nenana River. It's 174 feet down to the river. Now right after the river, right before you get to the entrance to the park, there's several dramatic cliffs when you're heading south from Fairbanks, where you have to watch out for the rocks falling off the cliff. You can see all the concrete barriers on the left side there, and they come through with crews once a year or so and try to blast off the side of the cliff to make sure the rocks don't fall. But we've seen some pretty big boulders fall off here. The state was using shipping containers to block the boulders from hitting the side of the road during the demolition project. So now we're coming up on the red lights here of Glacier Gulch. This area is where all the hotels and restaurants are at the entrance to Denali Park. The actual entrance, you have to cross another bridge south here. We're going to cross the Nenana River again, and then we'll be to the actual entrance of Denali Park. We ran across an army convoy moving some supplies up the road too as we were heading down past the bridge. And here we're coming up on the second bridge. There's a pedestrian bridge over there too, and both these bridges cross the Nenana River again. So you can see on the right side we're passing the actual entrance to Denali National Park, and then here in a few minutes we're actually going to go down to Denali State Park, which is a separate park just to the south, and see if we can get a good view of Mount McKinley down there. Well, I hope you guys appreciate that view. It's only 29 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and I think my hand was about to freeze off going through there. But that was what us locals call Glacier Gulch. But it's the entrance to Denali Park here on the Parks Highway. So we're just passing that, heading towards Cantwell, Alaska. So if you come to Alaska, don't forget we don't have a lot of roads, and they are always under construction. There's about one way to get where you're going, and in the summer, that road's gonna be under construction. So plan ahead and give yourself plenty of time. Well, we're just past Denali, just south of Denali on our trip to Anchorage. But I wanna show you the contrast in Alaska here. So you look outside, we're gonna see all the trees are all greened up, the snow's all gone, and just on the other side of the pass, this is the same day, just a few minutes after we've seen all that snow. Well, that took about 6 hours to go from Alaska's second biggest city, Fairbanks, down to Alaska's biggest city, Anchorage. And you see we went from a blizzard to, it's basically summer down here. There's leaves on all the trees, the grass is growing, it's green as can be. We have a saying in Alaska, if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes or drive 5 miles. The weather will change. Well, we made it to our hotel in Anchorage. We're gonna get checked in here. This place looks great. Beautiful water fountain out front. Some grizzly bears guarding the entranceway. And thanks for watching our trip to Anchorage. It's been fun. We'll see you on the next one. There's people above us in another dimension.
Stop it. It's just a mirror. Okay, okay.